hello, good morning, what up? Hanging out with Jessica today. Are you ready? First, we're gonna have breakfast. Where we are. Breakfast. Our food is here. Jessica put 500 Splendas in her coffee, right? How many Splenda you put in your coffee? Five.
I like sugar.
I like
sugar in my blood.
Sugar in your blood. We're talking about the Splenda, Jessica. The Splenda. My food is here. I'm gonna eat it all. I only put 2 sugars on my coffee. Okay?
5.
She put 5 Splenda. I put only 2 sugars on my coffee, so it should be fine. That's all I gotta say. So let's tear down this food down. Okay? Our food is here. Jessica put 500 Splendas in her coffee, right? How many Splenda you put in your coffee? 5.
I like sugar.
I like
sugar in my blood.
Sugar in your blood. We're talking about the Splenda, Jessica. The Splenda. This is what happened. No more plate for me. I ate it all. She's still eating pancakes.
You have toaster here.
No, it needs butter inside, no butter. Look at the decor of the ceiling, guys. Very interesting. Metal. Marilyn Monroe. Oh, try not to get the guy there, guys. So we finished with breakfast. Now we're ready to take over the city of New York. It's raining a lot, guys. So we might need to open our umbrella. Ella. So Rihanna. Where are we going to go? Yellow taxi. This is Times Square, guys. Welcome to Times Square, New York City. It's raining a lot. Like raining a lot. Raining a lot in Times Square.
Okay, balik ko muna kung turista.
Ah! Sí, porque it's raining a lot. So now we're walking in Times Square. We finished our breakfast. She's over there vlogging here. You know, bloggers. We're trying to be blogging in the life of every day, right? Blogger. Ah! Blogging. But it's raining a little too much, so no. This thing. Are we going the right way? We go straight, right? Yeah. What were you doing? What you were doing on my face? So, here we hold on. So I'm stuck. I work all night, but I don't look like I worked all night overnight. Shiny, my face.
You look fresh like a lemon.
Fresh like a lemon, not like a letter. Fresh like a letter. I don't eat letters.
I love lettuce, but with a sandwich with a lot of bacon.
With a what?
With a sandwich with a lot of.
With a hamburger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna do a little rainbow with the shopping. There she goes. Woo! I took this. No, I'm not taking a picture. Trying to to take a picture up there, but there's somebody there. Oh, coming. Jessica, let's go. We made it up top. We made it to the top.